Hello everybody. So today we have a review on a few important products that I see going forward with micro soldering that you need to have it. So first is first, this video is going to show you what I think is the best test tool for the iPhone X. Most secure. I've seen other ones where sometimes you have to push them down and all of that. So when you've split the whole board in half, you need to test it before you put it back together. In the past, I wasn't doing that. I was just soldering them all the time, taking them off, taking them on, and then you can end up killing them. So this is going to be the iSocket. This for me is one of the best tools out there for testing. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's go ahead and just switch the camera angles. Okay, so here's the different camera angles. Now, I've recently just fixed this phone. This phone had error 1. But the thing is, how do I know without soldering this back together if it's going to work, okay? Now, it comes with this screen extender, as you can see here. You can just plug your screen into it and it will extend when you put it in the test tool, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to first start off by lifting this off like this. There you go. And then there's a center part. This is very precisely made. So all the pins touch both bottom and top sides. So the phone can turn on without you soldering it together. You're going to place the bottom half in here. It's also perfect for data recovery. Just like so. Got to align it perfectly here. You see I've made a bit of a stuff up. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to gently put the top on here. Now before we do anything, what we're going to do is we are going to plug in the bottom. The bottom is important. And then we're going to put the test tool over it. Just like so. Okay. And then we are going to plug in the LCD. So this is the cool thing now. Now we're going to, with our power supply, we're going to use the iPower tool. All these tools are made by a company called Quanly and Tool Plus. They are great. And then all you got to do is just power it on with the test tool. And that's it. So right now we can test if we have fixed the board or not without soldering anything back together. You can see this, wait for it to boot up. I find it incredible. It's a great tool. As I've said before, I've tried other ones before and they're just not as stable and quality feeling as this. This feels solid, so as you can see the touch works there as well. And now we can test the phone. So we can just shut it off like this. Disconnect the iPower tool. Disconnect the top. Disconnect the bottom like so. If you want to plug a dock in, you could as well. There you go. Disconnect the other screen cable. This is my test screen. And then now we can solder them back together. Let's just close it back up nicely. In the holes. It's a beautiful tool. So that's it, the iSocket. We will be giving this away. I'm going to, at the end of the video, tell you how you can get this. So wait until the end of the video and we'll be giving one away for free to one of my followers. Right, let's move on to the other cool tools by Quanly and Tool Plus. They recently released these black stencils. Now, I've never seen these before, but we're going to try one today and we're going to see how it is. it might be better on the eyes. I'm not even sure, but they look pretty cool. If we compare them to a regular stencil size that you buy online, that's the regular on the left, and then the new ones on the right. They are very compact as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a test out of them. Let's just change the camera angle. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to start recording. So guys, now we're going to test out these new stencils. So let's see here. I don't know why my chair is very squeaky today. Okay, so let's just choose one that we can use. For example, that's a 5S. Let's do a U2 if we have one. No. Let's see, iPhone 8, iPhone 6S. Right, okay, let's do a 7. Okay, let's do the 6S. Okay, so as you can see, it is very precisely coated in black. Is it coated in black? Must be coated in black. Okay. Doesn't look that bad, you know. Okay. So, I don't know, let's just grab a U2 and see how this works. I think it looks cool. Let me just... It definitely looks a lot cooler than the regular silver stencil. Okay. This is just a junk U2 we're just going to use for the time being. Okay, so that's an iPhone X. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to just quickly reball this. Wow, I can definitely say it's easier to find the points, and it's less shinier in the eyes, usually with a normal stencil. It's quite bright, eh? Very precise stuff, right, okay. Now this is very hard paste, but let's see, ooh, okay. So trying to see if it's gonna be full is quite different. So you can't really see when it's full or not. Let's see how it reacts when the balls form. Okay. Not bad. I would expect when I scratched it just for the color to come off, but no, it looks okay. I'm using dry paste, so that's why it's not as shiny as a normal paste. Did a good job. Okay. Now that's to the side. Let me clean this up with my toothbrush. Does any of the color come off? No. So the black color is it might be a black material, you know. Doesn't look like we're scratching it at all. Okay, so yeah, this is a very high quality stencil. Now, any stencil works for reballing, but this is really cool. Just want to test that. Now, I'm just going to show you a few other tools that they have. I've shown these in my previous videos, but they have completely upgraded them. We have a hook for cleaning. Previously this came with a red tool, and also the cleaning tool but in gold. I've done a previous video of this in my tools for micro soldering, the advanced tools video. You can check that out. But mainly, you know, this video is about the iSocket, the iPhone X test tool, because I believe that this is one of the best testing tools for the iPhone X out right now. Very high quality. For the giveaway, we will be giving away this iSocket. All I'm going to need you to do, there's going to be a post on my Instagram where you're going to have to comment your YouTube name. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. And you also have to follow the Quanly and Tool Plus. Let me just get this out so we can just check this here. So Quanly and Tool Plus, we'll be putting those, I'll be putting the links here. You're going to have to just follow Quanly and Tool Plus, my account Federico Server, as well as subscribe to me on YouTube. Now all you have to do is comment your YouTube name in the post that I'll make for this giveaway. Once I do the raffle, it will show me a name on the comments, and then I'll check if you subscribe to me. If you subscribe to me and you're following Quanly and Tool Plus, then you'll be eligible for this giveaway. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I just want to show you how easy this is to use for the newer phones. It's going to be needed for testing because, you know, they split in half. And also the cool stuff they have. Check them out. Their website is Geekbar. Let me just check the end name. Their website is geekbar.tools. They've got many cool stuff. I'm going to just put it there. Thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, subscribe. And remember, for the giveaway to enter in this, you have to subscribe to me. Follow Quanly and Tool Plus on Instagram, my Instagram, and comment on my post with this giveaway with your YouTube name, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.